Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm trying to do this video right here because I don't really see too many videos on V6 Mustangs. I got a 2001 V6 Mustang 3.8 liter. Today I will be changing the clutch kit on the AC compressor right here. All right. It's my first video, so everybody have to bear with me, and I hope this is helpful to some people. Alright, these are the tools I'll be using: a ratchet, a screwdriver, a spring wrench, rubber mallet. I went and picked up my clutch kit from AutoZone. It cost me $85 for the kit, but let me tell you, the whole compressor costs $150 and up. So hopefully I can get this done. Also, if you get it from AutoZone, this part right here comes with a new bearing already on the inside, so you won't have to worry about pressing the other bearing out and putting another bearing in. Okay. On mine's, some kind of way, these grommets right here, there's 3 of them. They fell out. Overheated, fell out. I'm not really sure what happened. You know, this is it right here. See that? It don't supposed to be like that. It shouldn't have any play in there like that. And the grommet that's supposed to be here is completely came out. For what I see everybody doing, they first they break the, they take the belt off first, and then they have to use a screwdriver to put it in here and wedge while they turn this. But I think it might be easier to I'm using a ratchet 8mm. This right there. I think it might be easier to leave the belt on first and then break it and then take the belt off second. So let's try that. Okay, I'm gonna need both hands when I do this, so I'm gonna power up it up right here. See, it's not really gonna matter because the whole thing is gonna spin anyway. Okay. Wow, that sucks. Okay, that's my tensioner down here. I don't know if you can see that. My tensioner down here. I'm gonna have to get a breaker bar so I can pull that up. Weird. Okay, I'll be right back.